We have our 2015 Kawasaki KX250 here in the shop, and like most of the dirt bikes we see, the airbox is filthy. Now the reason you want to periodically clean your airbox is obviously to prevent dirt and debris from entering your engine, and also when you put your new clean oiled air filter in, you won't rub dirt all over it from your dirty airbox that you need to clean. Now on this being fuel injected, I went ahead and removed our upstream fuel injector just to avoid any damage or stress to that while we're washing out our airbox. I want to replace the O-ring there with a new one with a nice light coat of fresh engine oil applied to the new O-ring as it's installed. We also removed our IAT, or intake air temperature sensor, out of our way as well. And as you can see, it's very dirty where these components came from. So to get a nice thorough cleaning here, we want to get those out of our way. Then we'll have our new clean airbox ready to accept our new clean oiled air filter.